Today we are going to make stuffed brinjals or stuffed bangan, and these are the ingredients we will need. So we have here 500 grams of baingan or eggplant. We have made two cuts at the round end. We'll show you later how they have been done. Then we have two tomatoes. These have been chopped. 1.5 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. And this is how we make the cuts. So first remove the green stalk, and then at the round end make two cuts at right angles to each other about 3/4 of the way in this way, and finish off making all the cuts in all the eggplant. So here the eggplant are done with the cuts, and now we'll make the stuffing. So to the salt add all the spices and mix well until they combine completely. The stuffing is ready. Now fill the stuffing in the eggplant as shown. The masala or the spice mixture has been filled in all the eggplant. Now keep a pan on high heat, add oil about 2 to 2.5 tablespoons and let it get hot. Once the oil is hot, place all the eggplant one by one in the pan. When the baingan are placed inside, cover with a lid and let the baingan cook on low flame at regular intervals of say a minute to a minute and a half. Remove the lid, stir the baingan so that they cook evenly on all the sides. Stir the baingan at regular intervals, and when not stirring, keep the lid on. Cook the baingan till they are soft. Now the baingan are soft, put in the tomatoes, stir well and cover with a lid. Cook the baingan until they are completely soft and stir them at regular intervals. Cook them till they are completely done. And now the baingan are soft, so the dish is ready. Transfer it to a serving bowl and garnish it with some hara dhania. Do try this dish and share your feedback. If you like the recipe, please share the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.